Hello, my name is Miguel. Today I'll be showing you how to operate a torch shed. This bottle right here is acetylene, which is the fuel. This bottle right here is 100% oxygen, which is the accelerant. The acetylene bottle has a maximum pressure of 350 psi, and the oxygen bottle has a maximum pressure of 2500 psi. On top of the oxygen bottle is a regulator. This gauge tells you the pressure in the hose, and this gauge tells you the amount of oxygen in the bottle. Same with the regulator on the acetylene bottle. This gauge tells you the maximum pressure in the hose, and this gauge tells you the amount of acetylene in the bottle. This is the adjusting screw to adjust the pressure in the hose. I'll now be opening the oxygen bottle fully open, then adjusting it to 35 psi. I'll now open the acetylene bottle 3/4 of the way and adjust it to 7 psi. If you exceed over 15 psi, it will cause an associated explosion. I'll now walk over to the torch body to purge the oxygen and acetylene to get rid of any foreign gases or debris. Connected to the regulator are the hose. The green one stands for fuel, and the green one stands for fuel, and the red one stands for the green one stands for oxygen, and the red one stands for fuel. The hose connect from the regulator to the torch body. I'll now walk over to the torch body and explain the parts. This valve controls the flow of acetylene. The one next to it controls the flow of oxygen. This is the high pressure trigger, which melts the metal away. This is the low pressure valve, which controls the flow, which controls the preheat flame. And this is the cutting tip, which blends the two. I'll now open the fuel valve. I will now open the fuel valve an eighth of a turn and light it immediately. Then I'll add oxygen to create a neutral flame. At this point, you know why PPE is important, like Shade 5 lenses, safety glasses, leather coat, jeans, and boots. I'll now demonstrate a cut on a piece. I'll now turn off my fuel, then my oxygen. I'll then now turn off my bottles. Then unadjust my screws. Back out my adjusting screws. confused. I shouldn't have adjusted them yet. I'll then back up my bottles, then bleed the hose. Now we'll back out my adjustment screws. And that's how you operate a tour set.
Hi, my name is Neil. Today I will be demonstrating the proper way to safely use a plasma cutter. A plasma is present in any electrical discharge. A plasma consists of charged particles that can conduct electrons across the gap between the work and the electrode. The temperature created when the arc is concentrated to form a plasma is about 43,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This is hot enough to rapidly melt any metal that comes into contact with the arc. This arc produces an ultraviolet light that can burn the cornea of an eye and the skin that comes into contact with this light. We use personal protection equipment which prevents this, including having a leather jacket, gloves, safety glasses, and cutting glasses. To properly set up a plasma cutter, you must first check to see if your gas is on. Then you check the plasma to see if the plasma is on. You must set it at an amperage to where you need it. Then you place the ground to the work that you're doing. And you check the PPE and start the cut. As you can see, plasma